Welcome to the 60-day startup launch blueprint for entrepreneurs, where you would learn how to discover, validate, and profitably launch your startup ideas under 60 days flat. No coding, no venture capital, and no chasing ideas that would not work. My name is Umran and I'll be leading you through the course. I started my career in sales, working extensively for Scottish and Southern Energy, and then working for Zycus Inc as a Spend Analyst, having catered to Fortune 500 clients such as AMD, Intel, American Red Cross. I launched my first crowdsourcing startup in 2013 and scaled it from debt to over 8-figure revenues in under 36 months with no venture capital and no outside funding. Currently, I'm working on my new venture, one called Business Solutions, wherein we cater to early stage and pre-seed startups and we help them develop their mobile and web applications. Now, this course is not for you if you are looking for some get-rich-quick billion-dollar evaluation unicorn formula wherein you would have an overnight billion-dollar valuation. That's not what we are doing here, and that's not what this course is about. This course is for you if you are looking to launch a legitimate startup wherein you want to have a tech product ready, be it a mobile app, a SaaS product, a web application, anything that has to do with tech, and you want a proven step-by-step framework wherein we've condensed the learnings that would take over 1 to 3 years in the span of 60 days, and we present it to you in a step-by-step framework, all proven to give you the desired results. The outcome for this course would be that you would have identified the number one reasons why most startups have failed and how you can avoid it for your venture. You would also have an understanding of the core startup concepts, and we would share with you startup case studies wherein you can learn live implementation of those concepts. We would also help you validate your startup idea without wasting any time or money. Plus, you would have a ready list of customers waiting to buy from you while your product is under development, and that strategy is called expressions of interest. What I would personally do is I will execute a startup concept. I will validate that for you from start to end, and you can watch me validate the concept, see the results, and watch the plan in action. Along with that, we would also learn from the most prominent failures of startups and see the misadventures that they've done, and you would be able to avoid that on your own startup. You would also know how to find product market fit. You would understand how to discover problem solution fit for your startup. You would also have the ability to condense time, succeed quicker, and the confidence that you are following a step-by-step proven framework. Now, this course is for you if you are an entrepreneur, if you are an intrapreneur, if you are a solopreneur, if you are a startup founder who is working on his first idea, or if you're a serial entrepreneur working on his 100th idea, you would find value in this course. If you are a student wanting to learn business and entrepreneurship, if you are a student and if you want to learn the core concepts of startups, this course is for you. I invite you to go through the course description, check out the plethora of resources and bonuses that I've created for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Enroll now. Cheers.